They hung up. And now I had to restart my fucking video. Isn't that annoying? Alright. Anyways. Whoever was calling me, I hate you. Alright. Same thing. 1/2 inch. Strip it back. There we are. Just like that. Push your wire in. Undo the screw on the clamp on the breaker, just like we did for the red. There we go. And then tighten it back down. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Alright, so now that the breaker is hooked up, as you can see, it's wired in. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put it into place. And I missed. Close though. There we go. Nice and tight. Okay, so make sure you leave that in the off position. If you accidentally turn this on, the black and the black and the red will become hot, and then you're going to have a lot of angry pixies looking for ground. And if you just so happen to be in the link, you will, well, you'll feel it. You'll know. But that's basically what we're doing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put my conduit onto here, fish it across, and it's really just that simple. At this point, I can button this back up if I had just a single breaker panel. Most of you will. And everything else now at this point is from the outside of the panel towards the generator. And I'll show you that in a separate video. I gotta get the rest of this finished up though.